When Michael and Patrick moved from New York to sunny Florida, they looked at several homes, but eventually decided this downtown high-rise was the right spot for them. They loved the gorgeous views from their 14th floor balcony, but the condo's interior style fell a bit short.
You know, it just didn't match our personality.
The cost is expected to run well into the six figures.
We're putting a lot of money in the place to make it feel comfortable, and we expect to be here for a long time.
General contractor Dan Saunders and his team will spend the next 3 days removing the existing flooring.
The difference between working in a high-rise and a residential house is probably almost 2 to 1 on time frame.
After a couple of weeks, most of the demo is complete. Once everything is measured to ensure a perfect fit, the team starts moving the boxes into place. Meanwhile, the new herringbone floor in the master suite is taking shape. Keeping the design centered is no easy task. Even a minor mistake can throw the whole look off. It's taken 2 long months, but with everything permitted and all the corrective work finished, Dan gets the green light to move forward. The construction team is in the home stretch with this 2,500 square foot condo renovation. After living in a rental for twice as long as expected, the homeowners are counting the days until they can finally move in.
The journey has come to an end.
Even with the added time, Michael and Patrick say it was worth every minute. The main living area features a low-slung couch and chairs that allow the sight lines to flow easily from one unique design feature to the next.
You never know how people are going to react to that, and having people come and say, wow, this is really incredible, this is amazing, and they like it, and so that's very gratifying.
Yeah.